Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatargardens. This is episode 4 in Gardening Without Edits. I'm going to show you something really quick here because before I fix it, something that not many people focus on or think about. And I understand if it's a really big tree, it'll be a little harder, but it's still important to do in the fall and the winter before you create a problem for the spring. Let me show you right now. Okay, right over here is my flat peach, donut peach. I haven't pruned it yet. You can see this massive tree. You have to prune it low. I prune to my height every year. But when the leaves start falling, as you can see right here, all that golden color, I love it. When the leaves start falling, a lot of leaves, which all of you know, get collected in the branches like this. You can see that big, huge cluster, like a little nest, like a bird's nest almost, of leaves. Let me get closer if I can. Now, you can go, oh, well, that's just nature. And it is. It is nature. In nature, that happens. And there's not a huge issue, but if you're gardening in a small area like I am, I have a backyard, front yard, and side garden area, that could be a problem because this is a perfect little home for insects to hide and stay warm in the winter. And if you don't remove that, one, it'll be all mold, which won't be healthy for your branches. And it won't be that bad, but it still won't be healthy. It'll hold on to moisture. It could rot out the wood, potentially, in the winter, especially if you live in a wet area, which I really don't here, but in Central California, Zone 9B. But this area will be full of insects. Full. Let's say if you did forget it, which I've had in the past, and in, let's say January, I take it off, I finally remove it, you'll just see just insects and webs and earwigs, like hundreds of them come out of there. It just won't end. So the best thing to do is to remove them. So right after this video, I'm just gonna collect it and just drop it on the floor. Take care of those little nature-made bird nests. Happy gardening, everyone.